here at the 2014 International CES at the Belkin booth, where they're bringing your home to your fingertips. Leah, can you tell us a little bit about some of your new connected home products?
Sure. So what we've got here is Wemo, and we like to say that Wemo is the most approachable entry point into the smart home. So we really give you the opportunity to automate whatever little thing in your house that you want to without having to have a huge, complicated system. We really think we're bringing the sort of Internet of Things, which is the big buzzword here, to life through our Wemo products, making it really easy to really pinpoint those pain points that you have and automate them and make your life easier.
So can we take a look at some of these new products and how they work?
Sure, I'd be happy to. So this is our new LED bulb, and a starter set is 2 bulbs and a Wemo link. These LED bulbs are fully dimmable, so you can have them go all the way down, all the way up. Really simple app interface, so you can control them from your phone with your iOS tablet or phone from anywhere. Turn them off, turn them on, set schedules, have them dim to sleep so you can have them gradually go lower as you're going to sleep, or wake up so it's a more natural wake up. You can control up to 60 of them with one link, so that's really exciting, so you don't have to go out and buy a new one every time. What we're looking at here is our Wemo-enabled crock pot. What this allows you to do is you can raise the temperature, lower the temperature, stop it, start it, so it really puts you in control of your food, which is kind of exciting. This allows you to do that remotely through your phone. It can also send you notifications, so if you have something set to be ready at 6 p.m., it can send you a note when it's done, so you can remember, now I need to put it on warm instead. So it can do all kinds of fun things like that, and it's really exciting, and we're excited about the future of this partnership. So there's going to be several other Wemo-enabled products coming to the market, which it just expands the Internet of Things through your home.
Connected products making life easier here at Belkin at the 2014 International CES.